All right, guys. Now, very dark man get something to say. Now, he want talk for this particular matter. I want us to watch it together. Let's watch this.
Oh boy, my country will never cease to amaze me. Nigeria no cease to amaze me at all. All right, so first of all, say Nafdac don't open Ogbobu market, the drug market in Onitsha, that they've opened it. That's number one. But number two, some of the persons in the video with me, when I went to the market to make that video, they say, I just got the news that Nafdac have been arresting them one after the other. That it is them that invited me to the market. Can you just imagine? Can you just imagine? Can you just imagine? Nafdac, you have lost all your credibility. You have I don't know how you move from drug law. From drug law to they catch people where they sell fake drugs to extorters and oppressors. All the people you arrested, please release them. It is me that went there to make videos. I don't know nobody in that video. I don't know anybody for that video. Anybody that have my number there, it is there. I collected their number. Now when I go to Ogbobu, I collect their number. I didn't know anybody before going to the market. Release them and arrest me. If I dey come country now, arrest me. Now me you get problem with. Now me cast to now. Arrest me so that I will now go to court. Then I'll now bring proof that you people are extorters. People took advantage of your offices to extort these traders. If they pay you and say they cast you now, is it not a shame that you claim say you lock people shop because they sell fake drugs? Later you tell the same people to pay you 700,000 naira to open those same shops. First of all, you went from, oh, we saw 1 billion worth of narcotics. I'm waiting with the story. Then you people went on to say, oh, you saw 100 trucks of fake drugs. Yesterday now, I'm seeing a video that you said, oh, they don't have windows. So the fine is 2 million naira. They see the country where they come from. If I am coming to Nigeria, arrest me. I mean, nobody is above the law. Nobody big past government. So you can arrest me. Do you understand? But here's the thing. Why are we always talk? Do you understand? The reason why we talk is when we now see an institution, organization under the government that is beginning to act stupid, that is beginning to act as an oppressor, extorter, we will talk. We will talk. We will talk. Again, now that money people were collecting now, I say I'm Nafdac project. That's why you're sending it to. And I know you them through the federal government, the remitter account. The remitter. Why did you go through remitter? So all those money now where you gather, how are we going to know as Nigerians? Okay, this is how much government got. But that's where EFCC is supposed to come in. But what do those ones do? What EFCC do? They carry boys for road. Oh, we lock 100 boys today. This kind of matter, EFCC are supposed to investigate to say, okay, yes, who are the people behind this? Who are the people behind this? But no, they will not say nothing. What do I expect them to say? I mean, they are all together, you know. But Nafdac, I am disappointed. I feel betrayed that I once believed in Nafdac. It's so sad that I follow the people where they can be. Say, oh, go get Nafdac number. Go do this, go do that. It's really sad. It's really sad. Please, go and release those people that you arrested. I don't know them. As a matter of fact, the person that gave me this information, I didn't know anything was going on in Ogbobu. Now one babe tell me. I didn't know nothing was going on in Ogbobu. Now one babe tell me for my DM, say, very dark man, this is what is happening. This I shall come and do your investigation. That was why I came to Ogbobu. I don't know anybody for Anambra. One human being I didn't know in Anambra. I took a flight. I just asked question, how will I get to Anambra fast? They say, okay, go from Asaba. When I got to Asaba, I saw the people that were in Asaba market, Asaba airport. Did I come with anybody? There's no security, nobody. I just entered car. From there, Siena, for that matter. People are surprised. I just entered, boom, I reached there. When I got to the market in Ogbobu, safe. The first person didn't believe it. Now I'm very that man come there. He told me, very that man, what's up? I say, fine. I go front. It then dawned on him that, oh, now very dark man be this. Now where he start to the shout, where people go, very dark man, they can't gather. Now there, we ask question. All of them were in uniform with their voice. Nobody was saying it's a lie. No. Next thing, everybody brought receipts of what they had paid before they allowed them to open their shops. Now you're arresting people saying, I didn't bring me. So you are not even ashamed. Say they catch you now, they extort. You are pissed at the person that invited the person that made them catch you people. And the country where would they be that? That's the country we are living in. But may God help us. Nigeria is going to be great, oh. That's the thing. Nigeria will be great. It's time. Nobody believe in that country reach me. It's time. It's time. And the chairman of that market, bros, please go closer to your people. I don't want to talk much, but go closer to your. I know what I don't hear. Just go closer to your people. There's no money on earth that you will make that is better than the brotherly love where you go share. And the moment you share with your people, that's the only thing I will tell you. Anything where you feel say, okay, yes, you won't gain. Now all these things are material things. All these things are material things, bro. You can do things well in that market, you will stitch up. That's only what I can tell you. I know they accuse you of anything, but just... So, I just saw this video from Nafdac now, and it's very, very triggering. It's very, very triggering. I want you guys to see it. Before I call know what I want to follow on the talk. Let's watch it.
The fines you are paying, this market, if you are going to work on control, is not fit for sense of nation. As it is anymore. It's not fit. Based on our guidelines, okay, show me where's your window here? Where's your window? Window in this shop. Show me window in this shop.
I'm using this one, sir.
No, there's no window and it's not good for the drugs.
No, I'm asking you a question. Show me window in this shop. Bros, show me window in your shop. No window. Okay. Now, I just said that now for you to see. If this shop doesn't have window, this one doesn't have window, in our distribution guideline, every shop where medicine is to be sold must have cross ventilation. So tell me, are you in violation of that guideline or not? Yes or no? I want to know. Offense committed. Are you in violation of that guideline? Offense committed. Are you people hearing me?
Yes.
This thing I'm saying, 95% of you don't know.
And that offense is 2 million.
And so that is why
You categorically that about 95% doesn't know this.
don't know this. These are the things we are trying to explain to people. And I'm here to show it.
Know some of these things. Most of us doesn't know.
That's number one. Do you know how much that offense is? Chairman, how much is that offense under the investigative charges of Anambra? 2 million.
Any shop can be
Yes.
I'm telling you, 98% doesn't know it.
I don't know.
I don't know.
This is your first time. So listen, these are the things I'm trying to explain to you people. Before somebody will go to social media and be talking what he doesn't know. The state governor has the opportunity to talk everywhere.
Alright, so you heard that nonsense Nafdac is talking about. They went from fake drugs. Before, they say the reason why they lock them. Say they see 1 trillion worth of fake drugs. They saw 100 trucks with fake drugs in them. That's why they locked the market and started collecting 700,000 naira to open it. Now, when I don't cast all the matter, all eyes on them. They are now looking for a reason to justify their extortion. Now they say na window. You see the country where we did. Say na window where the shop no gets. And their fine is meant to be 2 million naira. 2 million naira from fake drugs to 2 million naira. Do you know what this means? It means that these people did not even see a fake drug. No fake drug anywhere. It's just pure extortion. Now you say somebody does not know what he's doing. They send me message. Then somebody will go on the media, say what he does not know. I know what I am saying. You people are extortionists. You people are pure extortionists. That's what you are. I don't know if not like this presidency, I be Nigerian government now want to generate money by extorting traders. Because it is what it is. You went from fake drugs to that they don't have window. For crying out loud. Nigeria is the country where we did. See people, they sell fake drugs. Now make you lost shop. Now you say now window, and the fine for not having window is 2 million naira. You didn't state this thing from the onset that it is window that they don't have. Now you know say now window. After they don't catch you now, so now the extortionist. When I ask you people for evidence, show us the evidence of the fake drugs that you got from them. Prosecute the people that were selling the fake drugs. It's no problem. Because you cannot tell me, say now over 5,000 shops, they sell fake drugs. Make I believe. And like I said, nobody's supporting people selling fake drugs. If you get the people selling fake drugs, you prosecute them. Because you don't have anybody to prosecute, because you did not arrest anybody with fake drugs, you're coming out to say it is a fucking window. Very soon, the people will arise. Don't they get to that point? Everything is beginning to be exposed. I know you people wanted to do it codedly. I just say when I go arrest somebody, these people, can you imagine? They went to the market to go and arrest one of the people in the video, saying, I ain't bring me come. Let me tell you people who sends me to that place. Now, security operative. One security operative. Now, one security operative. Say, very dark man, you know, see what did happen for Anambra. Nafdac. People you always campaign for, oh, get Nafdac number. See what they are doing. I went there, I saw proof. Everybody with receipts of what they paid. Already you people have made over 700 M. Because if all those people are paying 700,000 and over 1,000 shops, you people later posted that it was over 2,000 plus shops that were opened. Now it is window. Now it is window. Now it is window. The people will arise very soon. And this government, you better be careful. Now they push people to the wall. You people are doing it. You reach point, now they call me outsider. You call me outsider in my country, Nigeria, because I went to expose you. You people called me an outsider. Say that they should not let them push them with an outsider. And I mean, you call outsider for country, my country. It is now window. Anyways, they said they've started opening the shops back, which is good. I am happy. Unai done the correct small. Do you understand? And I am happy I went to that market because I know for the fact that if I didn't post this thing, if I didn't go there, if I didn't create this awareness, there is more years to come, maybe 2 years, 3 years, and I go do the same thing. And I go do the same thing. And to the people that are selling in that market, I beg, wanna go get window. Before they come again, they don't start. You please just open a window somewhere. And please don't sell fake drugs. Don't be desperate to sell fake drugs. Because there's no way people where they did. Some people did they sell fake drugs. 100%. But I beg, for the lives of others, please. And as for Nafdac, people are extortionists. I say it 1 million times. That's what you all are. Rubbish.
What's your take? You know, say, when Very Dark Man talk like this, for me, I'm a huge supporter of Very Dark Man. I stand by him anytime, any day, in his good doings, in his wrongdoings, because he's not a perfect person. Nobody's a perfect person. If you are waiting for people to fail, secretly or patiently waiting for people to fail, make you use them against them, then I don't know if you yourself, if you are perfect. What do I know? This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigeria time. Let's continue to talk about the things that affect you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.